Hi guys, welcome to Instructor for You. I am KP Manali. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I have brought the new series of videos containing the curriculum of SE and Class 10 Science in this playlist. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to click the bell icon to get a lot of new videos. Guys, this is the fourth video of lesson 4 for class 10. We will talk about gravity today. Let's start. It is heard that about the year 1665 AD, at the early age of 23 years, Newton was sitting in his garden under an apple tree. Suddenly, an apple fell down from the tree on the surface of the earth. He was not a normal human who just picked up an apple and started to eat. He started thinking about the same. Why it happened? After long observation, he said that the earth applies the force. This force exerted by earth on the apple is said as gravity of the earth. Friends, you may have released some objects from your hand. What happens when you release them? Obviously, they all fall down. What has pulled it down? It falls down. But have you ever thought what has pulled it down? Well, friends, it is because of force of gravity. Thus, the force with which every heavenly bodies like planets, satellites, etc. pull the objects lying on or near to its surface towards their center is called gravity. Remember, the SI unit of gravity is Newton. It pulls every object downwards, that is towards the center of the earth. So gravity is also called the vector quantity. The gravity depends upon mass and radius of heavenly body. Dear friends, now let's prove how it depends upon mass and radius of heavenly body. So let's take a ball of certain mass. Suppose M. Now release it. What happened? It fell down. Here, let's suppose the mass of earth be M, whose radius we consider R. Do you have any idea why this ball fell down? What pulled the ball down to the surface of the earth? That is because of force of gravity. Let's find how it depends upon earth mass and radius. We know the force exerted by the earth on the body is given by Newton's law of gravitation, that is F equal to G times m1 m2 divided by d square. We replace m1 by capital M and m2 by small m. We get F equal to G times capital M small m divided by r square. And we know force is equal to weight as well. So the force exerted by falling body is given by F equal to mg. So here we use relation F equal to mg from Newton's second law of motion, where g is acceleration produced in the body, or m multiplied by g equal to g times capital M small m divided by r square. Small m from both sides can be cancelled, and we get small g equal to g times capital M divided by r square. So here we come to know F is directly proportional to mass of the object, mass of heavenly body, and inversely proportional to radius of heavenly body. That is, increase in the mass of heavenly body increases the force of gravity, and increase in the radius of heavenly body decreases the force of gravity. Dear friends, now let's think what may happen when a body of certain mass is weighted on the surface of earth and then on the surface of the moon. Do you know the earth is more massive than the moon? Of course, I believe you do. Now, because of more heavy mass, the earth must have more gravity than the moon. And also we know the weight is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. Friends, the massive earth pulls every object with more force than the moon. That is, gravity of the earth is more, which is 9.8 meter per second square, in comparison than the moon, which is 1.66 meter per second square. So the weight of any object on the earth is more than the weight of any object on the moon. Friends, now you should remember the force of gravity has made every object to fall down towards their center. In case of earth, it makes the object to fall down. It holds the atmosphere around us. makes the rain and snow fall on the surface of the earth, makes us difficult to lift the load, changes velocity per second, means it brings change in acceleration. And also the most wonderful thing, the flowing of rivers, blowing of wind, stability of buildings, bridge, etc. are also due to force of gravity. Friends, now I think you all can easily explain the differences between gravity and gravitation, right? Okay, I leave that for you. Friends, you may be still confused about acceleration due to gravity and its major effects. We will learn more about these all and know its major effects in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.